What are some of life's changing seasons? So what can be considered the spring of some people's lives, you're single or you might be recently married. In the summer of your life, you might experience having children, purchasing a new home. In the fall of your life, you may be downsizing, or you might be donating to a museum or to a charity. And then in the winter of your life, there is death and divorce. And though you may be different ages when these things occur in your life, these are things that all require that you go back and revisit estate planning or legacy planning. I want you to imagine that you're in a car accident and you instantly slip into a coma. You don't have any estate planning procedures in place. Who's going to take care of your intended medical directive? Who's going to continue to pay your bills and make sure your finances are in order? In addition, who are going to care for your children and your home? And if you should pass away, God forbid, where do your assets go? You have just created a mess beyond your death. It will end up costing your heirs a fortune, out-of-pocket expenses, and possibly their relationship with others as well. There is a lot of fighting that goes on around the death event. You know, I've heard it said that you see the good and the bad, mainly in two events, weddings and death. But unfortunately, the bad does show up. But I've seen some families that are united and on the same page and working together. So you may be saying, well, what do I need to help me? Right, so we're gonna take a little quiz. Who has a room-by-room inventory of the items in their home? I see one hand. I do. I can't get up here and tell y'all to do it, and I don't have it. So it's good to have that inventory of the items in your home. Yes. Who's gonna take care of that pet? Medical power of attorney. It's the legal document that authorizes someone you trust to make medical decisions on your behalf. General power of attorney. It's a legal document that where the principal gives another person, called the agent, the power to manage the principal's assets and financial affairs while the principal is alive. Proper beneficiary designations. So you know those bank accounts, those 401k plans. Have you named the people that you want to receive those? And remember, the changing seasons in your life may dictate those need to be updated.